I found something really impressive, and I am excited for you to see this. Trust me, you will enjoy this one.
My children, lend me your ears, for the tongue of an old man may be slow, but it carries the weight of 1,000 seasons. I do not speak today to win your applause, but to save your souls. Many of you daughters come to my chambers weeping, claiming you are trapped in a house of thorns, shouting that your husbands are toxic. But sit down and let the white hair on my head tell you the truth. A person who says the road is crooked often forgets that they are walking with a limp. Our people say the one who is being carried on the back does not realize how long the road is. Many of you have become impossible to live with, yet you wear your difficulty like a crown of righteousness. You have replaced peace with pride, and you have turned your homes into a courtroom where you are always the judge and your husband is always the criminal. You claim he is cold, but have you checked if you have become the ice that froze the room? You say he no longer speaks, but who wants to talk to a person whose tongue is sharper than a hunter's machete? I have seen it for 3 decades. A woman will set fire to her own thatch roof and then scream that the sun is too hot. Marriage is not a trophy you win, it is a garden you tend. But today, many of you want the fruit without the labor of patience. You bring the arrogance of the marketplace into the sanctuary of your bedroom. When a man finds no rest in his house, he becomes a stranger in his own home. If you are always right, then you are alone. You cannot expect a man to be a king if you are busy treating him like a servant who must satisfy your every whim while you offer nothing but complaints in return. Hear me clearly. A beautiful face will get you a husband, but it is a beautiful character that keeps him. Many of you are difficult because you have mistaken independence for defiance. You think that being a strong woman means having a mouth that never shuts and a heart that never bends. But remember, the river that is too rigid will break its banks, while the water that flows around the stone reaches the sea. You are destroying your marriages with your own hands and calling it toxic masculinity. Go home and look in the mirror. Ask yourself, if I were married to me, would I be happy? The fly that refuses to hear advice follows the corpse into the grave. Do not let your pride bury your happiness. Soften your hearts, lower your voices, and remember that a home is built with the hands of a woman, but it can also be pulled down by her teeth. Let those who have ears hear. This is for my daughters. Men, I'm coming for you. If you are watching online, please share the video and follow the page. And always remember that Grandpa loves you. Gracias.
We have come to the end of this video. I gained something from this, and I hope you did too. Stay tuned for more. Peace out.